I love me a good hoodie, but can I sell them? I'm gonna start an apparel line that competes with luxury brands, and on top of that, I only have a budget of $25. I'll show you how to design, print, and advertise a high-end collection. Then we're gonna get feedback from real luxury shoppers. And make sure you stick around because I'll be showing you exactly how much profit we made. Step 1 is the design. The first step when starting any brand is to identify who's most likely to buy your product. But hold on real quick, I gotta check something. So I was just watching our academy to make sure that our business will be successful. We don't have enough time here to explain everything that's inside, but you can see for yourself at FromTheGroundUpAcademy.com. It's actually on sale right now too, so no reason not to. So let's think about our customer. My target would be someone who understands that quality is king and appreciates good graphic design. We'll call these people luxury customers. They would shop at stores like Chrome Hearts, Off-White, Louis Vuitton, or Prada. And guys, I'm really hoping my hoodie will be good enough to fit in with the culture. I gotta say, I'm a little concerned because I don't know this market yet, and my design might not hit with them. But I've been researching these brands, and I'm gonna reverse engineer one of the most popular items I've seen. That would be the Drake by Chrome Hearts Certified Lover Boy hoodie, and they're selling it for, get this, $3,000. The first thing I noticed was the heavyweight fleece blank. From the pictures, it seems pretty thick. It has an oversized and baggy cut to it. I took a look at the collar and it instantly reminded me of these Lane 7 blanks that we got chilling in our back room. Our blank has a scary resemblance to the Chrome Hearts one. I can't 100% tell for certain, but it may be the same blank. I mean, like, we don't got no Drake money, but this hoodie pocket holds racks and racks and racks and racks and some singles. Gotta have the singles. So I analyzed the blank and I took a look at the print method that Chrome Hearts was using. Now because, again, not as much money as Drake, we're only able to see it in pictures. I don't think anybody's gonna actually let me touch this thing. And it looks like they went with either a single color screen print or white heat transfer vinyl. And it seems to just be brand name and a cross logo for their design choice. So yeah, good job, Drake. And guys, let me tell you, using blanks from Lane 7 will easily set you up for success. They're literally designed to be printed on, and they're made to stand the test of time. One thing that really stood out to me is their sustainability initiative. Now, I'm a sucker for the outdoors, so it made me really happy when I learned that most of their fleece is made in factories that are powered by renewable energy. Good looking out, Lane 7. We're here for the turtles. Now, I'm armed with the secret formula to the highest price clothes. So let's get our design down in Photoshop. Guys, if you don't consider yourself a designer, please don't let this step intimidate you. We have cheat codes, AKA Envato elements on our side. I wanted some sort of motivational message for my hoodie, so I decided to create my design around 3 words: visualize, focus, execute. All I did was scroll through some fonts on Envato until I found the one I liked. And then I looked for a couple simple images that would help the message become more visual. So we had this brain moon, the head moon. We had some stars, and we had this eyeball because the eyeball, it sees. You got to be able to visualize and see. To add a little bit of flair, I selected my text and clicked the arc tool and gave my words some flag bending. To help me make sure everything is good to go, I downloaded a picture of my blank hoodie from Lane 7's website and used it as my mock-up template. Everything looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and export as a PNG and save it with a transparent background. That's important. So after the designing is done, it's time to get to printing. I opted to use heat transfer puff on my hoodie, and all we have to do now is stick our vinyl onto the cutting mat, load up our design into the Cricut, and press our transfers onto the hoodie. 315 degrees, 16 seconds. You guys know the drill. And I'm really digging on this puff print. It gives it a puff screen print look without having to have all that screen print stuff. Adding heat and pressure to it fuses it right to the fabric and puffs it up to give it a really cool texture. Personally, I'm gonna be doing a lot of puff prints in the future, and I love the end product. Couple of the more smaller elements seemed like they were coming up, so I hit it with a regular iron to fuse it into the fabric some more. Then we actually used the same iron to apply our puff vinyl on the front of the hoodie and on the sleeve. If you don't have a heat press yet, this works like a charm. Don't sleep on the iron. In full confidence, I can tell you guys this is legit my new favorite hoodie. Fits me exactly how I like. It's got that perfect heavyweight feeling, and I feel like I'm just in like a big pile of love. Now let's hit the mall and see if my hoodie can compete with Chrome Hearts' $3,000 hoodie.
Let's get it on!
We are here at the Wynn in Las Vegas. They got the real expensive mall here with all the people that would buy this $3,000 Drake hoodie. It's the type of customers. How y'all doing? We're just gonna take a survey. We're gonna ask some random shoppers if they like my hoodie or if they like Drake's hoodie. But you know, I still got it on. It's 101 degrees outside, but I'm doing it for y'all. Have you seen Drake's new hoodie?
No, I haven't seen it just drop.
So if I told you that we use the same blank in this hoodie that I made,
Yeah.
it's the same hoodie material as Drake's,
Okay.
but I'm not selling it for $3,000. Would you be more likely to buy this?
Can I get a feel on it?
Feel it, man. Touch me, yeah, touch it.
I know how the fashion game works, so I know it's all blanks rule.
Safe to say my hoodie's better than Drake's hoodie.
His hoodie's better than Drake's hoodie.
Heard it here first. Thank you guys. So we're here with the actual Chrome Hearts customer, bro. How you doing, man?
What's up, bro? How are you?
I'm great. So I'm glad I ran into you. I'm asking people what they think about Drake's new Chrome Hearts hoodie.
I think it's fire, but I don't know. For the price, I feel like it could be a little bit better quality because I've seen it in person, and it's okay. And it's similar to like the regular quality hoodies, so I don't feel like
would it be similar to this blank? Because I haven't touched it in
I
person.
feel like it would be, yeah.
No way.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe
so
a little bit softer, but that's about it. And,
no way.
I mean, the sides, you can look right here on the sides. You can see like some patches, but
Yeah.
those aren't like leather patches. It's just like a.
Is
like
it
an
vinyl?
No, it's like an ink stencil.
Like a screen print?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a screen print, bro. I'm so happy I found you. Would you say that my hoodie is more sellable than Drake's?
It's more affordable.
Yep.
And I say it looks a little bit better, honestly, because I don't know.
Hey, bro.
I don't know, because the red, it's not like, I'm not a fan of that shit of red, honestly. And this,
Yeah, me
you can
either.
you can wear this with a lot of stuff. That red, you can only wear it with so many shoes, so many fits.
Bro.
This, you can wear it with black, red, green. I mean, getting all the attention, bro.
I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Take care, bro.
Yeah, you too, you too. Amazing news, people actually like the hoodie. But the only thing is I don't think my modeling career will take off anytime soon. And my photographer is questionable. So we need to find someone that's more camera friendly to model for us. And after studying these luxury ads, we came up with our aesthetic and how we want our message to be received. Again, we used Envato elements to spice up our edit and give us the look we really wanted. Our commercial looks a little something like this. Check it out. Now that our commercial is ready, we'll build our Instagram and our website. For our website, we built it using BigCommerce, and using their 15-day free trial, we didn't even have to put in a credit card to get started. I'm not experienced in website design at all, but this was incredibly easy. All I had to do was follow the prompts and upload my media. Again, don't let these back-end tasks intimidate you guys. I did this without a website background, and you can too. We're gonna fill our other orders with print on demand. It's legit a game changer if you're not using it already. A company will print your custom clothes as made to order, then ship it straight to your customer after you've made the sale. It'll look like it came straight from a warehouse that you own. This allows us to collect as many sales as possible without worrying about any of the other logistics. So our strategy is to price our luxury items at a higher cost because they're handmade. The attention to detail with multiple prints will bring a higher price point. Now, in order to get customers that don't want to pay $200 for a hoodie, we're offering shirts with a similar design, but we're gonna change it a little bit to make it friendly for print on demand, so it won't have the puff print. We can price these t-shirts at around $35. The best part about using print on demand is you can get your store rolling for $0. One of the biggest things I took away from this experiment is how important it is to choose the right blank. If we used a cheaper hoodie to print on, our end product would have never passed the test with the luxury shoppers. It held up perfectly after 5 washes, which is a major win. No peeling on the print, and the hoodie still fits like it did from the very beginning. Making a luxury hoodie is a lot easier than I thought, and selling it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be either. We managed to sell 2 hoodies and a pair of sweatpants, giving us $475 in profits this week. I gotta say, I was extremely surprised, but it just goes to show what can happen when you really just put yourself out there. Now, to get up to that $3,000 price point, you will need star power. Let's be honest, if Drake wasn't a part of this drop, it would have been sitting around the $500 price range, and $500 is what it was listed at when it was in the Chrome Hearts Miami store. Resellers just got a hold of it that day, listed it on StockX for 6 times more than what they paid for it, and guess what, DeMarco?
What?
People bought it. Now, the value of your luxury line will depend on how relevant or rare your items are. The combination of Drake's endorsement and the limited supply created so much FOMO that customers were paying MacBook prices for a fleece hoodie. We're still waiting to hear back about our collab with Drake, but once we get it, I'll make sure to share you guys the sauce for sure. I got you, don't worry. Oh, that's Drake now. Hey, Aubrey, hold on 1 second. I'm wrapping up a video. Now, if you want to design your very own collection, we dive into every single step with the man, Mike Leisure. You can check it out right there. Hey, yo, Champagne Poppy, what's going on?